Well, hello. Are we in a new spot? We are. We stayed here 4 years ago. It's very exciting to be back. We are at Walt Disney World Contemporary Resort Bay Lake Tower. Very exciting. It's only our second time staying here. Can't wait. This is a DVC rental. We are not DVC members. We use the DVC rental store to book this reservation. If you are interested in a DVC rental, more information about that, we will leave a link in the description box below, and you can find out all you need to know. You will save a bunch of money if you book using the DVC rental store versus booking on the Disney website. We saved about 60% off of the rack rate, which is great, and really the only reason that we are able to afford to stay here. So, totally awesome. Would recommend. Check them out if you need help with a DVC rental. Continuing the room tour. This is a studio with a preferred view. Looks super nice. Over here to the left, as you walk in, you've got the bathroom. Towels. I will say right away that I love that artwork with the Liberty Bell boat and the Haunted Mansion and the castle. Looks amazing. I wonder if they sell it because I would totally buy it. Looks awesome. Got shower and tub over here with, oh yeah, 2 fancy shower heads. Look at that. Fancy shower, 2 heads. Awesome. All of your bath products here mounted to the wall, as well as an additional soap. Perfect. Got a little pull rack here in case you need to hang anything up, and a couple of hooks here to hang your towels, as well as some more towels here on the door. Looks awesome. A little bit of counter space over here, and also a couple of shelves with your hair dryer up there to the left. Looks great. Another little tiny shelf down here. Looks good. Moving on into the room, you've got the kitchen off here to the left. Full kitchen. So you've got lots of counter space here, all of the things that you would need for your stay. Oh, we've got plasticware this time. Okay, so we've got plasticware, we've got a can opener, towels, it's for your dishes, got your cups up here, and some bowls, toaster, paper towels, and ice bucket here. I like this little cabinet that pulls out for your storage. So you've actually got a lot of shelves. If you're staying here for a while and you've got some groceries, get a nice pull-out cabinet. Everything's gonna fit. And then down here you have your fridge. Looks awesome, kind of big, looks good. No freezer section, but as we've said in previous videos, if you have anything that needs to stay frozen, Bell Services will take care of you. Over here behind the fridge, you have your coffee maker, full size and Keurig, with all of the coffee things that you would need. Another drawer here underneath for storage, and then your recycling bin and trash underneath. Some cool photos here on the wall of Walt and the Imagineers in the early stages of building Walt Disney World. That's awesome. Love a little history with the room. In here, across the hall, is your closet. Extra pillow and blanket up top along with your steamer, hangers, ironing board, luggage rack, and your safe, should you need to store any of your valuables. Then, moving on into the main room, Ernie is napping in the sunshine. This looks totally comfortable bed. Cute Mickey with the towels. I love it. I also like that pillow that also has some hidden Mickeys in it. That looks cool. Got, oh man, more cool artwork. Do they sell these? We're gonna have to find out, because these are awesome. I love this. It's like little abstract Buzz Lightyear Space Mountain. It's fantastic. I would buy both of those paintings. They look awesome. Okay, back over here, we have little storage, as well as your plugs for charging things. And then you also have reading light here above the bed, same on each side. And there's, let's see, this is probably the light switch. Oh, nope, that one does that one over there. So there's another light switch for that. Maybe it's here. Nope, that's the hallway. Okay, we'll find it. But we don't need it. Look how much light we get in the room with this beautiful view. It's fantastic. All right, got your phone over here if you need to make any calls. I have a little shelf here for storage. And I will say also that under the bed is empty, and you could easily fit like, I don't know, 8 suitcases under there. I mean, you've got the whole space. So if you needed more space for your luggage, under the bed is all set. Turning around, you've got a Murphy bed over here by the couch that pulls down so you can sleep 4 in this room. This is a deluxe studio with preferred view, sleeps 4. And I love this little coffee table here because it's also storage. Look at that. Yeah, other storage in the coffee table, and a nice tray so you could have a little snack, maybe watch TV. And also, look at this. Look at this little bench over here. That's awesome. Instead of a chair, it's a cute little bench. That's adorable. I love it. Got your little Disney device activated by the magical words here. Help you plan your day. All of the vacation club information that goes as far as your housekeeping services. More Disney Vacation Club, Walt Disney World information here. And then have this whole countertop here, which is awesome. So you have all of that space. Got a little cabinet here for storage, another little chair that can pull out with another little recycling bin, so you could sit here and kind of turn it into like a makeshift desk if you needed to do some work, because you've also got a bunch of plugs here, regular USB and USB-C. Awesome. And then you also get 6 drawers. So you could totally unpack and make yourself at home, which is awesome. And then there's the beautiful TV with the animation artwork, which is just mesmerizing, and I could watch all day. Let's take a look at the view. This is the preferred view. So we're looking out onto Bay Lake. We're looking across the Contemporary. In the background, you will see Epcot, Fort Wilderness. If you go over here to the left, let me see if I can open the door. We'll see the new vacation club that they're building. I'm gonna figure out the door. How many locks are there? Second. Nope. Okay, stand by. Just keep looking at Epcot. I'll figure this out. Maybe. Hold on. There we go. Oh, it's heavy. I got it. Okay. Patio. A couple of chairs and a table. Awesome. There's the new DVC I was talking about there. It's going in next to Fort Wilderness. Looking down out here over the pools. There's the Contemporary right there. Monorails going by. You can see them over there. Awesome. This is gonna be great.